Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Lexus LX570 key battery. It's a simple process you can do yourself in just a few minutes. First, you'll need a new CR2032 lithium coin battery, which is a common 3-volt battery. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver, or you can use the emergency key itself. Remember to keep your hands completely dry to protect the internal components. The first step is to access the emergency key. Look for a small release button, usually on the side of your key fob. Press this button down firmly. Once pressed, you can slide out the mechanical emergency key. This key is not only for manual entry, but also serves as a handy tool for the next step in opening your key fob. Now, let's open the key fob. With the emergency key removed, you'll see a small slot or notch inside the opening. Carefully insert the tip of your emergency key or a small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist it slightly, as if unlocking a door. This action will cause the two halves of the key fob casing to separate. With the key fob open, observe how the old battery is positioned, usually with the positive side facing up. Use your screwdriver or fingernail to carefully remove it. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive, or plus, side faces upwards. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob and gently press them together until they snap securely. Don't forget to slide your emergency key back into its slot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.